Hello and welcome back in a slightly different place at the moment. So it's my week off baking school, and for my holiday, for my break, I wanted to go away. So we've gone away to Gisborne, and I know, 6 hours away from where I live. Crazy. But it's kind of nice. We're up in the mountains. There's no signal, no service, very limited Wi-Fi. But we just spent the whole day out on a track walking called the Green Track. We saw some beautiful waterfalls. It was a whole day with just me, Connor, and silence. It was so nice. Oh, and our little buddy Sage, he is the owner's dog. Oh, she is the owner's dog, and she just went with us the whole trail. Awesome. We're staying in this cute little cottage. I have some videos of the cottage, which I will show you. Super duper cute. But given all of this, I thought I'd take the time to show you one of the meals that I make while I'm here. It's going to be a very simple meal. We didn't want to bring too much. We don't have a lot of room in the fridge, and yeah, it's been a long day. So now I'm going to try and make something. It's going to be rice, tofu, and roast veg for me. And Connor's going to have meatballs with sauce, pre-made sauce, and rice and veg as well. So if you don't like meat, you don't like the look of it at all, I'd say maybe this is not the video for you. If you want to learn how to make both, because all you'd have to do is substitute the real mince for some vegan or vegetarian mince, and you have 2 meal options here. So let's get into the video. Well, first I'll show you around the cottage, then we'll get into the bake cooking. First thing you're going to want to do is preheat your oven. We're going to go with 180 fan bake. Next, I'm going to get some rice going. We've got about half a cup's worth of water, and I'm going to do another one of those, half cups as per the instruction. To the stove we go. Make sure you size up the elements always, and it is the left rear. Now we're just going to get started on the meatballs. You're just going to want a baking dish, one that can go in the oven, some sort of tomato paste sauce, we're using Basil Co, and some sort of meatballs, plant-based ones preferably, but this is for Connor and he's a meat eater, so I've got regular meatballs. Basically they're just going in there, and then we're chucking it in the oven once it preheats. So first we'll put the meatballs in. And then
shitload of sauce.
chop up any veggies that you have or want to use. I'm going to cut them nice and small so they roast faster. I'm going to turn that off now. Actually, normally when you roast carrots, you do them the other way, but being unique. Some broccolini. And then just give it a little bit of a mix through. And this is the part where you would add some oil if we had some. My rice has pretty much used up all the water, so I'm going to turn the heat off, cover it with a lid and let it cook the rest in its own steam, and wait for the rest of everything else to be ready.
Okay.
No. Juicy one. Oh, we cooked.
Perfect.
Yeah. Is that enough for you?
Probably not enough, no, but that'll do. Okay, that should be fine. That's a good amount.
Looks kind of like a lemon. Oh dear. Oh!
Alright, Minnie.
You want one?
That'll do. Potatoes aren't maybe that. Potatoes aren't quite that.
They're cooked, they're just not crispy. And that is our meal away from home in the cabin. I'm gonna try it and let you know how it is. But on a slightly unrelated note, if you ever see this dip, it is Seasons Gourmet Vegan Chipotle 3 peppers or something and cashew. It is really good. Highly recommended. Not sponsored, but highly recommended. Right, now. What?
Videoing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
You gotta tell me how your meatballs are.
Okay, I'm a bit hot now. Okay. They're hot and steamy.
The vegetables could definitely do with some salt or some flavoring. But the tofu, really good. Pre-marinated stuff makes things 10 times easier. Rice, it was super easy, super quick. Just put together. Doesn't take much effort. Hope you enjoyed. And I hope to see you next time. Until then, peace out. Hope you enjoyed something a little different.
What's your story? What's your sign? It's like we're twin flames in a different light.